Alright, we got a little quick demo of a little remote control iTunes app running on the iPhoto. Here we go. This is connected via the Safari browser to my MacBook, and here we go. Press music, artists, Blink 182. Sorry, I'm in reverse. There's my albums. Pick a song. And now that is running on my MacBook. So I can control the cube, which will play the music all around the house. Pretty freaking cool. Whoa. And I'm doing it with multiple kids. I don't know what's going on now, but that's the demo. Anyway, pretty freaking cool.